plan was to take the day and climb Hen, Cock and Pigeon Rock. Unfortunately, however, during the week I did myself a mischief at the gym and I've hurt my leg, so it was time to think of a plan B. The Mourne Mountains in County Down are arguably the more famous of the two mountain ranges in Northern Ireland, with the highest Slieve Donard standing at 853 metres tall. So many are drawn to challenge themselves on its peaks, but I don't know too many people who haven't climbed at least one of its summits. With a jeep loaded with diesel, food and the promise of decent weather, it would be rude not to get out and go for a drive at least. I think you'll agree, no day trip is complete without pulling in somewhere to make something tasty to eat. So with Spelga Dam as our backdrop, I whipped out the frying pan and rustled up some fried egg, smoky bacon, soda and potato bread on our faithful old Halfords gas stove. It was just what the doctor ordered, washed down with a large cup of piping hot tea. It finished the day off nicely. Thank you for watching. We do hope you enjoyed the video. It would be appreciated if you could let us know by subscribing, liking or even sharing the video with anyone that you think might like to see a little bit of more magic. See you again soon.